Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, we are going to study unit 2nd, the Narayanpur incident. Okay, written by Shashi Deshpande. Okay students, she was born in 1938 in India. She was an Indian writer and she is the second daughter of the famous Kannada dramatist and writer Sriranga. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so students, the Narayanpur incident. Narayanpur is the name of a small town. Okay, okay students, dear students, the Narayanpur incident, this is the story of a small family. This is a story of a small family and there are 5 members. How many members? Total 5 members. One mother, second father and 3 children. Okay, mother, father and 3 children. The eldest son name is Sohan and younger name is Babu, and there is a girl, her name is Manju. Okay, so there are 3 children in the family and 2 adult person. The name of the mother and father are not mentioned in the chapter. So students, the theme of this story belong to the freedom of India. The head, okay, means father of the Mohan, okay, he took part in the Quit India movement. He supported the freedom fighters and due to that he was sent to prison. He was put behind the bars. Put behind the bars means sent to jail, sent to prison. So the father of Sohan has been sent to prison because he supported Quit India movement, which begins by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, okay students. So when the father of Mohan has been sent to the prison, then the other members of the family moved to his village Narayanpur. Okay, moved to his village Narayanpur, but Mohan, okay, Mohan participated in a procession. Procession means protest. Okay, some school, some college students but taking out a procession from the school gate to the collector's office. Okay, so Mohan has participated in that procession. You know procession means julus, we protest for some things. Okay, so in that procession Mohan has participated. Okay, let's see what happened at the end of the story. Let's see. So let's see paragraph number first. Now, said Manju impatiently, tell me where we are going. To watch a procession, walk fast, we may be late. So dear students, as I have told you that Mohan has participated in the procession and Mohan has told Babu that he can come and he can see the procession. So Babu did not tell anything about the procession either his mother or Manju. Okay, he takes Manju with him and He moves to watch the procession. While Manju and Babu were going to see the procession, to watch the procession, Manju asked Babu where they are going. Is that clear? So now see the paragraph first. Manju impatiently asked Babu whether where they are going to watch a procession. After that, Babu replied that they all they are going to watch a procession in which Mohan has participated. He further tells her that to walk fast, otherwise they will be late for the procession. Okay? What procession? Whose procession? Where? Again Manju asked Babu, what kind of procession and where is the procession going to be held? Whose procession you are talking about? Okay, she asked a little bit angrily about the procession because she doesn't know anything about the procession. You sound like just Ramabai, said Babu. After that, when Babu got the reply from Manju, he got irritated a little bit. Okay, he became angry and he asked Manju that she behaves sometimes like Ramabai. Like Ramabai. Now the question is that who is Ramabai? So student, Ramabai is the neighbors of Babu and Manju. Okay, she used to talk a lot. That is why Babu called Manju that she behaves like Ramabai. Did she give you a quick lesson? It means to say Babu asked Manju whether Ramabai has taught him some lesson or not. Okay, because she behaves like Ramabai, that is why he taunt her. Okay. Now see paragraph 5. Oh, be quiet about Ramabai. Tell me, Babu, what procession? When Manju heard from Babu about the Ramabai, she also get irritated. She also irritated and she asked him, don't talk about the Ramabai. Okay, she asked him, do not talk about Ramabai and tell him about the procession. Okay. Now see paragraph 6. The college students are taking out a procession from their college to the collector's office. Is that clear? Mohan told me we could watch. He says it is going to be peaceful. Now finally, Babu tells everything very clearly to Manju. Babu tells Manju that some college students are taking out a procession from their college to the collector's office and Mohan has participated in that procession. Okay. Babu further tells Manju that Mohan has told him that they could see the procession and Mohan has told Babu that the procession will be very peacefully. There will be no violence. Is that clear? Okay. Now see paragraph 7. There were already some people lining the roads. The narrator tells us that when Manju and Babu were going to see the procession to the collector's office, they find there already some persons were lining at the roads. Okay. Manju and Babu found a good spot almost opposite the gate of the collector's compound. And the narrator tells us that Manju and Babu got a good place among the crowd and they got a seat just opposite the gate of the collector's compound. Okay. Manju and Babu were standing just opposite side of the collector's compound. Okay students. So where Manju and Babu got the place just opposite the collector's compound. Is that clear? They had to wait for some time. And after that, when they got their position, when they got the seat, they wait for the students who were leading the procession. Okay, they had to wait for the Mohan. Now see paragraph 8. Soon they heard the magical words, they are coming, they are coming. After that, very soon, the wait of Manju and Babu was over. Okay, the persons, the students who were taking out the processions, they all arrived at the collector's office. The children, like the others, rushed out. Okay, and when the processors, okay, when the students who were taking out the procession, they reached the collector's office, the children rushed there. Okay, they rushed out. Policemen appeared all along the road. The narrator tells us that there were a lots of policemen. Okay, some of them walked in front of the student. The narrator tells that some policemen were walking in front of the students who were taking out the procession, and some of them were walking their sides. Okay, but the students marched as if the police did not exist. So student, what is the meaning of march? March means to move slowly. To move slowly. Okay, so the students who were taking out the procession, they did not scared of the police. Okay, they did not scared a little bit from the police. They were very bold and very brave. They were taking out the procession very peacefully. Okay, they walked in complete silence. Okay, the students who were taking out the procession, they were walking peacefully, silently. There were no slogans, there were no short messages, okay, or shouted during the procession. They did not shouted during the procession. Okay, no shouts, just the shuffle of feet and a low murmur from the watching crowd. So we can't hear anything like slogans and any types of violence. Okay, we can't hear or see anything. Just we can hear the shuffle of feet. Shuffle of feet means walking sounds. Okay, the sound of walking feet. So we can hear only the sound of the walking feet and some murmuring of the watching crowd. Otherwise we can't hear anything else. Is that clear? Okay, now see paragraph 9. Babu and Manju looked eagerly for Mohan. Babu and Manju were waiting eagerly for the Mohan. What is the meaning of eagerly? Eagerly means with great excitement. Okay, with great excitement. Yes, there he was, dressed in white pajama and cream colored kurta. After that, the wait of the Manju and Babu got over. They found among the crowd Mohan. Okay, and Mohan has dressed in white pajama and a cream colored kurta. Okay, and with him there was another boy. Both Mohan and the another boys both holding aloft a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, is that clear? Okay, their arms must have ached holding it up that way for so long, but their faces were expressionless. The narrator tells us that Mohan has held the picture of Mahatma Gandhi for a long time. Okay, and by holding it up, his arms must have ached, but there were no expression of tiredness on the face of Mohan and the other students of the procession. Okay, is that clear? No one has a little bit expression of tiredness on their faces. Everyone looks like fresh and energetic. Is that clear? Okay students, so I hope you have all got these all points very well. Now we will continue from paragraph 10 in the next video.